Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Air Quality Meter is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone concerned about their health and well-being, especially in today's world where indoor and outdoor air pollution levels can fluctuate dramatically, impacting everything from respiratory health to cognitive function, making it crucial to have a reliable device that can accurately measure and inform you about the air you breathe, ensuring you can take proactive steps to create a healthier living environment for yourself and your loved ones. Number 5. Airthings Wave Plus Radon and Air Quality Monitor. Meet the Airthings Wave Plus, your ultimate solution for indoor air quality monitoring. It's designed to give you peace of mind about the air you breathe every day. Radon levels can change daily, so continuous monitoring is key. This device provides accurate and reliable radon measurements, ensuring you're always informed. It goes beyond radon, monitoring carbon dioxide, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. Get a complete picture of 6 essential indoor air factors. Check your air quality at a glance with a simple wave for a color-coded light. For detailed data, connect to our app via Bluetooth. Designed in Norway with 15 years of industry leadership, it's a trusted device from the original pioneers in radon detection. Your purchase includes the monitor, batteries, a quick start guide, and access to our dedicated support team. What we like. This device offers reliable, continuous radon measurement, alongside sensors for CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and pressure. If you're concerned about hidden radon gas or want a comprehensive overview of your home's air, this is a great choice. It's ideal for homeowners who want detailed insights and peace of mind. What people say. VOC's measurements are very impressive. We can immediately see the changes in results even with subtle things like sweeping the floors or bringing a box inside our home with things that had been in storage. The app works well and is pretty user-friendly. We had no issues downloading or using the app in our phones or iPad. Also, no issues registering the device. I think the level of information is what we need, and it is great to have access to historic data. The devices use a traffic light system which I rate. Red for poor, amber for fair, and green for good, which again is extremely helpful especially when walking past a device. You can simply wave your hand in front of the device and it will glow. However, you need to look at the app to still see each reading and which one might be glowing red, for example. Number 4. Kayenqo Mold Test Kit. Detecting mold in your home has never been easier. Our comprehensive kit provides everything you need for simple, at-home testing. You can test various areas including your HVAC system, home surfaces, and even the air you breathe. It's perfect for identifying potential mold issues in any part of your living space. Our kit includes a detailed guide with images of common household molds. You can easily compare your test results to identify the specific type of mold present. This all-inclusive kit comes with 12 test plates, swabs, gloves, and clear instructions. You won't need to buy anything else to start your mold detection. Worried about what to do after detection? We provide a mold removal guide to help you address the issue effectively. You can even retest after removal to ensure it's gone. If you're unsure about your findings, you can send us pictures of the mold. Our lab staff are ready to help you identify it and answer your questions. What we like. This kit provides 12 individual tests for various surfaces and air, complete with a detailed guide to identify and remove mold. If you suspect mold in specific areas like bathrooms, kitchens, or HVAC systems, and want a hands-on approach to testing and remediation, this is perfect for you. It's especially valuable for those who prefer a DIY solution. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and the included booklet with pictures of different types of mold is very helpful for initial identification. I sent my sample to the mold lab in the morning, and to my surprise, I received a detailed response the very same evening, within just a few hours. That level of responsiveness is something I've rarely experienced. The kit was super easy to use. Swab the area, rub the swab on the gel in one of the petri dish, put the lid on, keep it in a warm place, 70 to 80 degrees, and wait. Number 3. MORENTO Air Purifier for large rooms. Introducing the MORENTO Air Purifier, designed to keep the air in your large home fresh and clean. It's perfect for spaces up to 1,076 square feet. Our advanced sensor detects PM 2.5 particles, giving you real-time air quality information. You can see exactly what you're breathing. Experience powerful air purification with its double-sided air inlet. Despite its strength, it operates at a quiet 24 decibels, ensuring a peaceful environment. Tired of pet hair and odors? This purifier effectively tackles pet dander and smells, leaving your home smelling fresh. This package includes the air purifier and 2 additional filters. You'll have everything you need for long-lasting clean air. Its clean white design complements any home decor. Enjoy healthier air without compromising on style. What we like. This air purifier is designed for large spaces up to 1,076 square feet and features a PM 2.5 display for real-time air quality monitoring. If you have a spacious home or apartment and need to tackle pet hair, dust, and other airborne particles, this unit is a strong contender. Its quiet operation makes it suitable for living areas and bedrooms. What people say. The air quality meter accurately detects various pollutants. It has a user-friendly interface with clear readings. The compact design makes it easy to place anywhere. Number 2. Airthings View Plus Radon and Air Quality Monitor. This device continuously monitors your indoor air quality, measuring radon, PM 2.5, CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. It connects via Wi-Fi and requires the Airthings app for full functionality. Radon is a serious health risk, being the leading cause of lung cancer in non-smokers. This accurate detector helps you stay informed about this invisible threat. With over 15 years of experience and trusted by over 1 million users, this brand provides reliable indoor air quality monitoring solutions. Understand and control your home's air health with confidence. Check your live air quality data and receive timely notifications anytime, anywhere via the app. Track potential issues before they become a problem with this always-on monitor. The accompanying app provides current readings, trend analysis, and helpful tips to improve your air quality. You can even check your local pollen forecast. Register your product to take advantage of a free, optional extended warranty, increasing your standard coverage to a full 5 years. Setting up is quick and simple. Its battery-powered, cable-free design allows for flexible placement anywhere in your home, and it features a customizable e-ink screen. What we like. This monitor provides continuous, Wi-Fi-connected measurements of radon, PM 2.5, CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and pressure, with a customizable e-ink screen. If you want real-time data accessible anywhere and a long-term warranty for added security, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for tech-savvy users who value comprehensive monitoring and extended support. What people say. The inclusion of radon, temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure sensors is a plus. The unit displays message hub mode on, instructions do not say so, but this message only displays for 5 to 10 seconds. Consequently, you might miss it and start over, as I did, several times. Once done, wave enhanced connected. It has high contrast and easy readability. You can choose 2 sensors to display via the app, phone or PC. Number 1. SAF Aranet4 Home. This device measures CO2 levels, temperature, and humidity in real time. It empowers you to make informed decisions for healthy ventilation and a better environment. Enjoy worry-free monitoring with its power-efficient e-ink display. It guarantees an extended battery life of up to 4 years, eliminating the hassle of cables. Alerts you when CO2 concentration becomes too high through color coding and an optional buzzer. It makes monitoring your air quality effortless. A smartphone application allows you to view and analyze up to 90 days of historical data. It presents the information with user-friendly graphs. It uses advanced NDAR sensor technology for the most precise and reliable CO2 measurements. You can trust its accuracy for your home or office. Monitoring your indoor air quality helps you take better care of your surroundings. This leads to improved focus, mood, and overall well-being. What we like. This device offers wireless monitoring of CO2, temperature, and humidity with an impressive 4-year battery life and an easy-to-read e-ink display. If your primary concern is maintaining optimal indoor air quality for better focus and ventilation, especially in offices or schools, this is a fantastic choice. Its portability and long battery life make it incredibly convenient. What people say. The design is about as dead simple as it can get. The display is high-resolution e-paper, which gives it the super long battery life. Battery life is measured in terms of multiple months, at least. It looks both sleek and functional. Big bonus, it also provides temperature and humidity readings, and you can select either Fahrenheit or Celsius. To have all these readings all on one small device is very handy. E-ink, as a display type, is just awesome. It looks very nice, aesthetically. After calibration, it measures very accurately, and I'm happy with my purchase all around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.